Okay, this should be our third and final video. We're going to finish up with hostess coaching and just a few more notes. So where we left off is how you're going to get your hostess to book parties for you. So this is a little trick that I do for my catalog parties, and it's very similar to what I do at my home parties. So for those of you that don't know, at my home parties, I give my hostess 3 nail files or something similar, and I tell her and the guests at the party that she does not want to keep these. She is actually trying to get rid of them. And if she gets rid of all 3 of her nail files, I have this giant box, and she is going to get the prize that's in there. And they don't know what it is, and it's fun and it's exciting. And for every person who books a party, they get a nail file. So that's how she's helping. She wants 3 parties booked. So what do we do for our catalog parties? This is what I'm doing now. So every month, 31 has this extra hostess exclusive for our hostesses when they hit $600, a $600 party. So when they get their $600 party and 3 parties booked, I am buying it for them. It is worth the money. Yes, I may be out some money buying it for them, but it is so, so, so worth it. And those hostesses that want to work, go for it. All right, continuing on with hostess coaching. Yesterday was National Pink Day, so I asked her specifically, who do you know that loves pink? Message them and let them know you have a party and that pink crosshatch is half off. So it's just those little things every day, as you can see, that are getting her to message people and why she would message them. So I hope that you can see the value in this party, how it's easy. Partying this way is so easy, and it's a one place for you to be able to just share all month long. Do you have to plan for it? Yes. Can you go back to your old parties and pull your posts and schedule them for the month? Absolutely. Or for a couple of weeks rather than cramming them? Absolutely. Do you have time to show? And let's go. Let's do one more thing. Just for those of you who have not seen some of my parties that I did try in the past. Okay, so let's just kind of look at what you can do. This is what I'm doing is I'm going back to Sincere because it's easy, but you can go back to your old parties, and I am going back, and what I'm doing is I'm picking some of these posts that I do in my party and I'm spreading them out in my customer group. So you're going to see here that I'm going to post about summertime, and I'm going to post about the Studio 31. So all of these different ideas, and I have shared this party in our team group, so I'll make sure to make sure that you guys see this. These are all the great posts that were in an event that I don't have to do anymore. I don't have to go use an event, but I can spread them out in my customer group and have those that are trying to party, their friends and family seeing them, but their customers. It's also less invasive. It is not as pushy as the party feeling either. It's just a comfy place, because don't forget that you want to post fun things. So like I just posted it's International Handstand Day. Okay, yes, it's still a 31 soft sell. But let me show you some things. You want to make sure that you're personal and that you're just like this, even. You're just posting things. It's probably going to take me forever. But you guys get the picture. You know that 80-20 is the rule. 80% about you, 20% about, I'll show you something that was fun that I did yesterday, 20% about 31. I posted, now these were, keeping in mind, these were all in one big post. It looks like I posted a ton, but I didn't. They were all in one post. I posted this. I let all of my peeps know that at Old Navy, they had flip-flops for $1. So you need to also be branding yourself. Let's talk about that a little bit. You need to make sure that my customers know I love Disney. I talk about Disney all the time, which is a beautiful thing because now we can get Disney money. But even before that, that is me. That is who I am. Okay, I want my customers to know I'm frugal. So I am going to be posting things that tips and tricks on sales. I'm part of Bargains to Bounty and Hip to Save in some of these places, and I'm going to be sharing their posts here to help my customers find bargains so that they know, yeah, I like going to her customer page because not only is it 31, but I get bargains there. Okay. I'm all about dance, okay? I'm a former dance teacher. So look at, you can see the dancer coming out in me in my personal pictures, right? Okay? So whoever you are, if you love cooking, I hate cooking. But if you love cooking, share your recipes, share pictures of what you're making for dinner, okay? But be strategic about it so that they know that you're adding value to their life more than just 31. They know that, okay, so here are some non 31 things that I post all the time. Okay, I am always posting them these goofy questions of A, B, C, or D. Would you pick it or could you do it? Okay, and look at, I'm telling about myself. I'm an only child. So now they know this little fun fact about me because I'm talking about me at the same time. I'm always answering these questions. Okay, let's scroll down. Um, and oh, people love pets. This was a huge one. So I just did this post about show me your fur babies. Oh my gosh, everybody and their brother showed me their fur babies. And of course, then I showed things that day that were great for personalizing. So here we go. One has to go forever: shrimp steak, ribs, or fried chicken. Okay. Name a Disney movie using only emojis. Okay. Write a brand name using only emojis. Be fun, okay? Be fun, be you. I hope this helped. I hope you can see the value in this. I'm super excited. I hope you guys are super excited. If you have any questions, please let me know. And like I said, I'm going to add this to a unit in our Facebook group, and you're going to see all kinds of, I'm going to post everything that I tried to show you guys. And I would love to hear your feedback, how this works for you.